Quail. The quail is a small bird. It belongs to the same family as pheasants, grouse, turkeys, and Guinea fowl. There are about 45 species of quail. It lives on every continent except Antarctica. It is often hunted for sport or food. During the autumn and winter, quail live together in groups called coveys. The covey helps protect its members from foxes, owls, and hawks. When such an enemy or a hunter approaches a covey, the quail squawks loudly and fly away in all directions. It builds its nest on the ground and conceals it with grass.